What's going on, y'all? Just wanted to give you a quick little walk around of the whip. A lot of y'all been asking what's done to it, how's it looking, so thought I might as well just show y'all. We're gonna start on the outside. Honestly, there ain't too much done to the outside. Really all we got is some real JDM emblems. Shout out to my boy Steven. We got LEDs in the headlights and the fog lights. Got some moon visors, or sun visors, whatever you want to call it. And then got the Anzo Eagle Eye taillights. And that's really it for the exterior. Suspension, got a couple things done. In the rear we got the Progress 24mm sway bar. I will say if you cop the 24mm, buy some different end links, because the ones that they come with, cheeks. Like, you're gonna have to replace them because they just make too much damn noise. It's not fun. We got some Godspeed rear camber arms. Up at the front we got some MOOG front end links. And for the tires we got 225 45 17. I'm thinking about going up a little bit, probably to like 235 40, because 225s do not grip. You only really get traction like around third gear. But yeah, let me just get to the good stuff. Yeah, while we're here, there ain't really much done to the interior. We just got an AEM TruBoost gauge, got a little Broadway mirror, Skunk 2 shift knob. We also got the Acuity shifter base bushings, as well as the cable bushings up the front. Don't mind it being dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a bit, but got a couple of stuff going on over here. Starting off, we got 1000cc injectors, got the RBC manifold. I will say, if you're boosted, definitely go with the RBC. You're gonna make a lot of top end. Honestly, you don't really lose too much mid-range, at least in my case. What else? We got the Hondata 4-bar. Got a Synapse blow-off valve. Got the Clutchmasters FX400. It's a really good clutch. Got the DW65C fuel pump. Oh yeah, for coils, we got Rev 9 coils. Honestly, they're not too bad. For the RBC, I used the PRL adapter kit. And that's really about it. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the intercooler is all the way down there. It's a Spearco intercooler. But yeah, it's the Wipsuki. The numbers that she's making, if I remember correctly, it's 386 wheel horsepower and 312 foot-pounds of torque, and that's on 10 pounds of boost. Still got a lot of stuff I want to do, especially exterior wise. I want to make it look less of a sleeper, but still kind of have like the sleeper vibe to it, you know. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be having more races for y'all.